But here I am right now. I'm with my cousin Julie. Yeah, so she just came in from Toronto. She just come down to see me. Nobody else, you know, because I'm the greatest cousin out here. So a lot of new things happened. Yeah, I got the Audi. I still have all the parts from my old car. I'm not gonna sell it. I'm gonna keep everything. There's a shit ton of mods that I have coming to this car. I just need to get some money and then pay off all my PayPal payments before I get into that. Well, right behind me, obviously this is for my new car, the first parts. I've literally only had my car for about a month. Told myself maybe I was gonna wait a year, but honestly I couldn't wait, as you can see with this box. I'm getting tired of just driving stock, bro. Like, I thought I could do it. I thought maybe a year, but just without any sound, anything, literally like nothing, you know? Like, I just honestly, I don't think I'll ever be able to drive a stock car. This is gonna be an unboxing video for my APR carbon fiber cold air intake. They call it the Carbonio intake. Hopefully I pronounced that right, but here we go. I bought this from ECS Tuning, which is pretty nice, and they gave me free 2-day shipping. First things first, they're gonna give you this. It's like the couple of bolts and everything. Give you like a little go APR.com, and they give you an APR badge for the back of your car, I guess. Not bad. I might be going for, I mean, they sell other ones too on their website, which look a little bit cooler, so I might go with one of those. Next thing out of the box, this is actually kind of heavy. Well, not really that heavy, but it's pretty dope. We got the APR filter. Actually, let me just, yeah, so you can kind of see it. I thought this part was going to be carbon fiber, but it's not. The cover, shit, I don't want to pop any of this out. So much in here, yo. I mean, I guess this is what you gotta do for, oh, fuck. Oh my god, straight carbon fiber. Dude, this shit is like, holy shit, I gotta show you this, bro. It's like static. Sticking onto you. Oh. The way I just did it, oh, look at that. Oh, I gotta open it. Ooh. Oh, it's an easy access to open. I'm not gonna open up the whole thing actually, because I gotta put this back in. Oh my god, this looks so sexy. I'll show you like a little corner of it. I don't know if you can see it because of the lighting, but I mean, when I do it in the install video, it's gonna look so dope. I mean, this is just a corner of it. Damn. That's it. There's literally only 2 pieces. 3 pieces that you get. So literally out of the whole thing, you get this, the filter, which is obvious, couple of screws, and the cover. That's literally it. as you went by, it definitely like feels a little more powerful, like a little more aggressive. So.
I mean, the install took probably about maybe 2 hours at max. I mean, if you know what you're doing. I mean, overall, I'm happy with the product. I mean, I think it came out pretty good. I mean, honestly, I'm gonna give it like another week or so to settle in before I have any more comments and stuff to say at the moment. It is a little quiet. It's a little too quiet for me, so I'm gonna have to invest into a blow-off valve and a turbo muffler delete. Hopefully both of them do some good work for me, but for right now, it's not bad. I mean, there's a little, you can feel a little difference with the throttle and stuff here and there, but that's it at the moment.